Hello and welcome to another episode of Driveway Dudes. We recently got this package delivered. It is our new jump starter box. Our old one has seen better days, so let's just open it up. Now, we bought this from a popular Chinese website. I'm not going to say any names. It was less than €50 including postage. It took its usual couple of weeks to arrive, as they do. This particular brand is a 70 mAh, claimed 11,100 milliamp, claimed starting crank amps of 250 to a peak of 600, and claimed to be able to start a 2-litre diesel or a 4-litre petrol or gasoline powered engine. Here you go, you can see it there. 70 mAh jump starter. So it's if you ever seen a phone power bank, it's very similar to that. You've probably seen them for sale on the internet in your local auto parts store. But we didn't want to pay those sort of prices, so we got this one instead. It comes in its own little handy bag, so very convenient if you want to leave it in your glove box or under the boot floor in your boot or your trunk. So it's another one of these things where you take them out the first time, you probably never get it back in properly, but here's the business end. That's our jump box. What else does it come with? It comes with a manual. Always very important to read those before you attempt to jump anything. It'll come with your battery connectors. Obviously these go on to the battery end or your jump starting points in your car, and this will go into the power bank presumably. Anything else in the bag? No. Here we are, the exciting bit. And there we have it, the 70 mAh or 70 mAh, depending on how you pronounce it. Now, obviously, this has probably been on a shelf for a long time, and then again, plus courier, so not entirely sure how much charge is in it, but when it is fully charged, it should be able to jumpstart your car, power your phone or tablet from a normal USB or USB-C. Probably have to provide your own cables. Oh no, wait, hold on. They actually give you a USB to USB-C, so it's very handy if you have a phone that will take that sort of connection. Otherwise, just your own cable. It's showing me 3 dots, which we haven't read the manual yet, which could mean it's fully charged or it could mean it's 75% charged. We have various buttons on the side, so this is where the cable goes, the DC cable. So this is where this would connect when we're going to do it, but I'm not going to plug it in yet because we're not currently in front of a car. Nothing else really. So that's it. You probably charge it by USB. Again, we'll need to read the manual and have a proper look. But there we go. So hopefully, if we hold the button down, it might turn the torch on. Yes, it does. Yeah. So it's very familiar, or very similar to any other jump starter box that we've seen on the shelf. But this is our first one that we've actually purchased. Again, it was less than €50 including delivery. Looking at it closer here, it actually has a spot for 4 lights right there, but there's only 3 lighting, so we'll have to assume it's 75% or thereabouts. To give it its fairest chance, we probably will, not probably, we're going to charge it fully before we're going to try and jumpstart my Alfa. Now my Alfa is a 1.4 petrol. It has a completely flat, dead, non-existent charge in its battery. It's been sitting in the car for multiple years in multiple conditions, so it will be the best test we can put it to. But yeah, let's charge it up first. Well, hello and welcome to the next day. We left this on charge overnight just to give it its best possible chance. And here we have the completely dead Alfa Romeo 146. And just to prove it's completely dead, I will show you trying to start the car. Nothing. No ignition, nothing, no clock, no interior light, completely dead. Before we can jump start the car, first take our accessories out. And the jump starter. Put this somewhere safe. This is where the cable goes in. And of course, if it's nighttime, you can always turn the light on for yourself. Right, that looks good and tight. Now, according to the instructions, you can put this on the battery, turn it on, and if, oh, it's already on. If these lights start flickering once it's been connected to the battery, you can push the boost button to give it a bit of an extra kick. So I'm going to put the positive on first. Whatever kind of connection you can get. They're only small little crocodile clips. Let's hope that's enough. If not, you can always readjust. Okay, so is the light flashing? Oop, wrong side. They're not flashing, so I'm not happy with that, so I'm gonna try and do it again. Of course, you always want to make sure that you're actually getting the clip side with the actual wire connected best, because that's where the power comes from. They're only stubby cables, so do what you can. Okay, so now that we have it connected, if you can hear the beeps in the video, that's it trying to tell you that you need to push the boost button to give it a bit more. So, okay, can't hear anything now, so we're going to try it. Okay, yeah, we have an interior lights, so does power, foot in the clutch, we have ignition, and there we have it. So that has started the car from completely flat. We checked on the multimeter first, it was 0.0 volts, so there's absolutely nothing in this. The manufacturer does claim that it can start a car from completely flat. This is only a 1.4 petrol, so it wasn't the biggest challenge to start, but it was very impressive. It still did it. This was the best value for money one we could find online, at less than €50 including delivery.